In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a custom shipping profile for your e-commerce store. This process will help you streamline how you manage shipping for different products and locations, making your business operations more efficient. To begin, from your homepage, you'll want to navigate directly to your settings. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Shipping and Delivery. This section is where you can manage all aspects of how your products are delivered to your customers. By customizing these settings, you tailor each product's shipment process, ensuring that it aligns perfectly with your business needs. Next, you'll see an option to create a custom profile. This is a powerful tool that allows you to designate specific shipping settings to particular products or groups of products. By doing so, you can adjust methods and rates based on factors like destination, shipping speed, or any other variable important to you. Click on that option, and let's get started on building your custom profile. As you create this new profile, you'll first need to give it a descriptive name. The name should be one that helps you easily identify the profile later, especially if you intend to create multiple profiles. Think of something straightforward that indicates the profile's purpose or the products it's associated with. After you've settled on a name, move on to selecting the products you want this profile to cover. Here, you can choose specific items or categories of items that share common shipping characteristics. Next up is choosing the locations. This is crucial because these settings allow you to designate where each product ships from. If your products are warehoused in different locations, you can specify those here. Having accurate location settings ensures that the system calculates shipping costs and times accurately, providing your customers with the best possible service. It also helps you manage stock levels across various locations more effectively. Setting the time zone is an often overlooked yet important detail. The time zone is a critical component because it determines the cutoff times for shipping out orders. Selecting the correct time zone ensures your shipments align with your operational schedules and your customers' expectations. Within this option, you can also adjust settings based on regional time preferences, accommodating any specific shipping practices tied to localities. Once you've entered all these details, profile name, selected products, specified locations, and set your time zone, you can review everything to make sure it looks as expected. It's always a good idea to double-check your selections. Ensure the information aligns with the intended products and destinations. When you're satisfied that everything is just right, go ahead and save your newly created profile. Congratulations! You've now created a custom shipping profile, setting the stage for more organized and strategic shipping operations. Each time you set up a system like this, you're taking a crucial step towards enhancing efficiency in your business, benefiting both you and your customers in the long run.